Hi guys, maybe it's because I didn't grow up with much, but I feel like people put way too much importance on money and the monetary cost of things. It's one thing to want to live comfortably, but it's another thing to be defined by what you have. The truth is that unless you were born into money, struggle comes before success. You have to struggle, you have to grind in order to become successful. Take a minute and look around you. We live in a world where the quiet soldiers are often the ones extremely overlooked. These are the ones who are battling life's adversities every single day, day in and day out, the struggling men. These are the men who don't make the headlines, yet they're the ones shaping the real stories, the stories of grit, resilience, and determination. Their stories and contributions are not highlighted, yet they're the ones keeping society as we know it afloat. Now let me go ahead and define exactly who I'm talking about here, because when I say struggling men, I'm not just talking about the ones who have financial struggles. I'm talking about men who are also dealing with life's challenges, men who are out there day after day after day wrestling with their circumstances, men who are determined to turn things around, men who work damn hard and strive for success. When I say struggling men, I'm talking about the men who are striving every day to achieve something, even though the world is pushing back and making it damn near impossible for them to do so. That's the real definition of struggling. Now I'm about to go ahead and rip apart some misconceptions here. Number one, struggling men are losers. I hear this a lot, and this opinion is absolutely ludicrous. A man shouldn't be defined by his struggles, but more so about how he handles them. Struggling men are warriors. They're fighters. They have grit. They're survivors. Every man will face struggle. There's no way around it. It's the way he battles through them that defines him. These men aren't just rolling with the punches. They're counterpunching. They don't shy away from the struggle. They meet it head on. It's through that struggle that they forge their true character. So instead of just writing them off, we should be respecting their courage to endure. Number two, struggling men can't provide. More than likely, a struggling man won't be able to buy you the world, but he can damn sure provide you something much more valuable. He provides commitment, loyalty, and most importantly, he provides effort. I think the problem lies more in the woman who wants the world rather than the man's ability to provide it. Number three, struggling men lack ambition. Here's a reality check. Most struggling men are some of the most ambitious people and men you will ever meet. They have dreams, goals, and they're working their asses off to reach them. They've set their sights high and they're grinding daily to turn those dreams into reality. So what's the real deal with struggling men? They are the backbone and cornerstone of our society. They're the ones who understand what hard work and commitment truly mean. Usually overlooked, they're the ones who have mastered the grind, and through their trials and tribulations, they've come to know the true price of commitment. True value is not in the bank account. It's in the soul of the man. It's about resilience, about the ability to face adversity with determination. This is why you can have two men that have the same equal amount of wealth, but with different backgrounds, and they'll have completely different mindsets when it comes to that money. It's not the money that makes them different. It's the mindset that their backgrounds yield. You'll notice a stark difference between the mindset of a man who was born into money versus one that had to work hard to get his. See, the man who had to work hard to get his typically remembers the struggle that it took to get there and what he had to go through, so it makes him more humble. There's a deep appreciation that's damn near impossible for the man who was born into money to possess. So the next time you encounter a man who's quote unquote struggling with life's battles, just don't write him off. Look closer and recognize his journey and salute his determination, because it's taken him a hell of a lot to accomplish his dreams. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.